Yeah guys, morning. Today what I'm going to do, I have a till mackerel, yeah, and I have a sausage. So I'm going to fry up the till mackerel and the sausages together and cook some rice. So guys, when you watch this, yeah, watch the video here guys. Sausages and mackerel and rice. So guys, be a badness in our kitchen today. What am I going to do now? I'm going to light up the stove, put on the pot. Guys, just watch a video and I'll see what I go. Yeah. So yeah guys, I'm going to put on the rice pot now. Yeah, be a badness in Nicholas' kitchen. Be about this guys, you know, like to tell you. Rice with mackerel and sausages fry up together, yeah. So, how do you know I'm going to light up the stove? Put on the pot. Put some salt. Yeah, don't know about this one. Yeah guys, so I'm going to put some butter. Water soon start boiling, so what I'm going to do now, put in some butter, wash my rice and put in rice, so you go and cook. Guys, a long time I don't do this thing, I don't like to tell you the till mackerel and sausages. A long time I don't fry it up together. So I'm going to do it today with some rice. Yeah guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to wash my rice, put it in, make it go and cook, and I'm going to fry up the mackerel and the sausages and I'm going to see what I'm going, yeah. Yeah guys, so see my rice there, what I'm going to do. I wash my rice and put it in. And that's what I did. Water boil up now. So I'm going to wash my rice and put it in and I'm going to see what I'm going. After I put it in, I'm going to fry up the mackerel and the sausages together. You understand what I did? Guys, watch what I go and be about this in our kitchen. Yeah guys, so see my rice, water boil up, so I put in my rice now. Yeah guys, so I'm make my rice and cook. And that's what I did, and my rice a brown rice guys, so and brown rice swell a lot. So guys, just watch about this while I go on in the kitchen. You know what I'm going to do now? I go cut up some seasoning for my till mackerel, some pepper, onion, scallion. You don't know anything set up, yeah. Guys, I don't like to tell you. We have something to share with you now. But I'm not going to do the video now. You understand what I did? Yeah. And we make a video other day and I show you certain things I want to go on. You understand what I did? And right now, be honest with you, the video we put up last month between me and my wife and them thing there right now, You see, she run carry a quote, so me not pay money for you pitney. And watch, me I go show you something. Between the 17th of November to the 28th of November, she get $770. And people, me not lie, if you tell you, remember, you know, between the 17th of November, 17th of November to the 28th, she get $770. And guys, believe me, today how much? Today I believe the 14th. The 12th, me da work. That a Monday, me da work. Somebody call me phone. I will tell me say pitney in a hospital. And I tell me which ward them depend. You know the pitney skin delicate. And watch what she a do. The same soap and rag where she a use pan herself, she a use pan the pitney. Me get body wash, lotion, shampoo, everything feel like a pitney, soap, and she don't take it. Clothes, she don't take them. I have to sell them back in her daycare. You understand, Marty? But guys, right now, they can't enter me pitney in a hospital. I know I don't go nowhere. Why they never carry pitney go a private doctor? Because you know, the pitney have in something there. Whether they call it in skin delicate. You understand, Marty? You can't put in anything near him. Because his skin will start swelling them things that she know. What she do now? Them say he pitney a seizure. Carry pitney go a hospital. That are the government hospital. When them carry the pitney go the government hospital now, he give him medication. Them say the medication he makes something come up on his skin. Guys, I know I don't go look. Believe me, I don't want to feel no way. Well guys, my rice are cook. Yeah, you don't know about this, but guys, I'm gonna make you know 100 hours one. You understand what I did? Yeah. I don't know if he come out. And which I try to do here, you know, I try to set police for me. To show you a shag up the girl. Guys, we are go back a court in 19. So now I go know what I want. Yeah, I cook. So I don't want to, you understand what I did, guys. Be about this in the kitchen, said do you. No matter what, can't stop my video. Enough of them I try if he, yo, even the video them when I do. Them a run carry me name in a court, oh, me I put up this on Facebook, me I put up that on YouTube, like I feed them channel or I feed them phone. More them tell the judge, if he tell me if he take off my video them off of me YouTube channel and see where them are good. See if them are good. Hey, me just a easy. Cause a base stupidness them are talking a court. All the judge himself a idiot. Me don't want to know watch nothing. Yeah guys, so you see what I go on? Yeah guys, so you put a plastic bag over my rice so you go on steam. So what I go do now? I have 2 little pieces of seasoning here. I go cut them up. You understand my deeds? So what I go do, I cut up them seasoning for me mackerel. Guys, I be a badness. Rice I go and steam out, cut up some scallion. Piece of onion. You don't know about this, go pepper. Guys, I have a lot more things to tell you now. I'm not lying to tell you. A lot more things, but I just have one whole. You understand what I did? I know everything good to talk right now. I just have one whole and see what I go on and watch them I deal with. Because yo, I'm not lying to tell them people are dangerous. Believe that, them very dangerous. But I good over evil still, you understand what I did? Alright. I see them take out restraining order, she take out restraining order. And she take out restraining order. And still, I go for pitney at daycare. When I live money I courthouse. I I go for him, he pick me at daycare and I buy him snacks and them thing, they buy him fruits and them thing there. You understand what I mean? And you will not see that. This show is that one wicked girl, she wicked. Yo, she don't know good, me not lie to tell her. She don't know good. Yeah guys, so now cut up some pepper now. She don't know good guys. You understand what I did? But me just allow them to do them thing. The 19th, I go back a court, so I'm gonna make you know what I'm going. You understand what I did? Right now, I don't even know what I'm going to feel like a boy, believe me. And a lion people, if I go in at them way, you know, them are going to try to lie upon because police and them things. But I'm not afraid of police. You understand what I did? You know me now make no trouble with them, so. But you see you can avoid that thing, you avoid it. You understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah guys, so I cut up some pepper now to start fry up my mackerel. My mackerel and my sachets with my brown rice. Yeah, my rice almost done cooking now, it have gone steam out, my rice gone steam out. Guys, I don't know when you come in my kitchen and be a badness, not true? Some type of food that you never eat before and some type of food that you never see cook before. Yeah. Actually, I'm not ready to give you some punch. If I start make up a whole heap of punch and make you see what I'm going to segue. You understand what I did here? Make up some whole heap of punch, guys. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to light up my stove to fry up my mackerel. Guys, yeah guys, so still light up me pot and I go fry up my mackerel and my sachets, so now before I go on in the rice pot. Yeah guys, I don't know about this already. Rice and cook. Go steam out, you know. There guys, so put back the plastic. Thing go on steam. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to line up some oil for me frying pan. Yeah guys, so see me ground season, yeah? Make the oil hot. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna make me seasoning go and fry up and also I'll go on. Yeah guys, so see the sachets here, when I go in, I'm going to show you the sachets. Yeah guys, so take out the bone out of my mackerel. I'm going to put in the mackerel now with the sachets. guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. Yeah guys, so when I go to know, I will put some ketchup. Finishing look, soon done cook. Just stay tuned for the finishing look guys. Yeah, soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna knock off the tin mackerel and the sachets. But you know, you don't know the rice cook. So I'm gonna share out some food and I'm gonna see what I'm soon come back. Yeah guys, look at this. The sachets on the tin mackerel and rice. Guys, the bag.